This is the island of the gods. Welcome back to Designing Your Travels. Today, we're going to talk about an unforgettable destination where the sun, sand, and sea come together. Bali, Indonesia's paradise. We're going to share some tips and tricks to help you make the most of your trip, including where to stay, what to eat, and what to see. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as we take you around the island of Bali. First up, let's talk about where to stay. Bali has something for everyone. For the adventurers and backpackers that are on a budget, don't worry. Head to Kuta or Canggu, where you'll find plenty of cozy and affordable hostels and guest houses with a laid-back vibe. And for a truly unique experience, consider staying in a traditional Balinese villa or eco-friendly bamboo house in Ubud for a night surrounded by lush rice fields. However, you're into luxury. You'll find gorgeous resorts in Seminyak and Nusa, where you can indulge in ocean views and world-class amenities. For a top-notch experience, check out the Ayana Resort and Spa, which is famous for its jaw-dropping infinity pool, beautiful gardens, and unforgettable views, not to mention the impeccable breakfast and a staff that makes you feel special. If you want to stay there, even if it is just for a night, and get the most for your money, then check out the agoda.com link on the description. You will get the best deals not only on your hotel stay, but on flights, tours, and much more. Now let's talk food. When it comes to local cuisine restaurants, the Warung local restaurant is probably your best bet. It is incredibly well priced and offers an amazing variety of means, as well as vegetarian courses for you to choose from. We recommend trying the tempeh curry and the sweet sour pork. The best part is that the staff is always incredibly receptive, and you can find this restaurant chain all over Indonesia, so it should be easy to find one. However, we would be dismissive if we didn't mention the jimbaran seafood cafes, especially if you are one of those who loves fresh seafood. With over a dozen seafood cafes along the white sandy beach of Pantai Muaya, it is the perfect spot to catch an amazing sunset while enjoying some grilled prawns or any of the other amazing dishes offered at the cafes such as the Pandasari or the Nyoman Cafe. If you do want a different experience while trying the local cuisine, then head to one of the many street markets around Bali for some of the amazing taste this amazing destination can provide. We recommend the Badung Market, especially their pork satay, and the Sindu Night Market by Sindu Beach. The next place to add to your must-go list has to be the Penny Lane restaurant. Pro tip, book in advance your reservation. This restaurant is very well known and it gets really busy. This unique restaurant is the result of mixing rock and roll and hip-hop culture, as well as Moroccan, Greek and islandy designing style. It won't take long for you to realize that this place is awesome, and you will definitely fall in love once you taste its delicious food. If you're a digital nomad looking for a great coffee shop to work in, or just a coffee lover, make sure to visit Revolver Espresso. Great specialty coffee and breakfast, not to mention the really relaxed atmosphere, making the perfect place to work in peace. When it comes to a good bar, the Black Sand Brewery is what you're looking for. They have multiple options on locally brewed beers and excellent food, of which we recommend the Kolsch and the burger. While you're exploring Bali, there are a few things you should avoid doing. Always be respectful of local customs, especially when visiting temples. Wear a sarong, cover your shoulders, and don't touch sacred objects. It's also essential to watch out for the infamous Bali belly. Stick to bottled water and avoid uncooked foods to keep your stomach happy. And don't forget to protect yourself from the sun. It's no joke in Bali. Apply sunscreen generously, wear a hat, and stay hydrated to avoid sunburn and heat stroke. Getting around the island is an adventure in itself. You can rent a scooter, which is popular and affordable, but make sure you've got an international driver's license and drive carefully. The traffic in Bali can be chaotic, so always be alert and aware of your surroundings. If you'd rather not brave the traffic, hire a driver for the day or use ride-hailing apps like Grab or Gojek. Negotiate a fair price beforehand and make sure your driver speaks English for a smoother experience. Keep in mind that some areas might have local taxi restrictions, so be prepared for alternative transportation options. Alright, let's talk about the fun part, what to see. Bali is packed with stunning temples like Uluwatu Temple perched on a cliff, or the iconic Uluwatu Beratan Temple, which seems to float on a lake. And don't forget to visit the Tegalalang rice terraces in Ubud or the breathtaking Sekumpul waterfall. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Bali's unique irrigation system called Subak dates back to the 9th century and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The locals take great pride in maintaining this ancient and sustainable system, which continues to support their agriculture to this day. Of course, you can't visit Bali without hitting the beach. From surfing at Echo Beach in Canggu to snorkeling in Ahmed, you'll find something for everyone. And if you're looking for a more secluded spot, check out Pasir Putih or the hidden gem of Niang Niang Beach. There's also Nusa Penida, an island off the coast of Bali that's home to the famous Kelingking beach and the crystal clear waters of Angel's Billabong. Just a short boat ride away, Nusa Penida is perfect for a day trip or an overnight adventure. While you're in Bali, don't miss the opportunity to immerse yourself in the island's vibrant arts and culture scene. Explore the Ubud art market or the village of Seluk, famous for its intricate silver jewellery. And if you appreciate wood carving, visit the village of Mas, where you can see skilled artisans at work. For those who love traditional dance, attending a Balinese dance performance is a must. The hypnotic movements, colourful costumes, and captivating music will leave you mesmerised. Now, for all you fitness enthusiasts and martial arts fans, I've got a special recommendation. Synergy BJJ MMA Academy is a top-notch facility that offers classes for tourists and locals alike. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, you'll benefit from their expert instruction in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Muay Thai, and mixed martial arts. The friendly and welcoming atmosphere at Synergy makes it easy to connect with fellow travellers and locals, and the world-class instructors will help you sharpen your skills while having a blast. Plus, it's a fantastic way to stay in shape during your vacation and make the most of your time in Bali. Be sure to check out their class schedule and drop-in rates when planning your trip. Well, that's our ultimate travel guide to Bali. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. Just remember to respect the local customs, stay safe, and enjoy every moment of your adventure. And before you head off, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insider tips and travel inspiration. I can't wait to hear about your amazing Bali experiences, so feel free to share your stories with us in the comments below. If you want more details on the amazing hotels around Bali, don't miss out on our video on the best hotels of Bali. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe to our channel, and let us know where you'd like us to take you next. As always, safe travel.